Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan, and on the turntable this week we have the Majorette Renault 5 Turbo for the challenge of the Diecast and mod community on Facebook. The challenge this month is to tackle any sports vehicle. Majorette issued several models of the Renault 5. This model of the R5 Turbo was produced from 1981 up to 1987, first in red and orange, then in red and yellow. From 1986 to 1987 the model was issued in blue with rally livery. Renault introduced the R5 Turbo in 1980 as a special rally car to compete in the World Rally Championship. The car received the 1.4-litre engine of the Renault 5 Alpine, which was placed in the rear instead of the front, and the 5-speed manual gearbox of the Renault 30. With the addition of a turbocharger, the engine became a 157 horsepower monster. Reaching from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 7 seconds and a top speed of more than 200 km per hour, the R5 Turbo was back then the fastest car ever to be produced in France. The body was also restyled by designer Marcello Gandini from Bertone, with the striking air intakes on the rear wheel wells for the turbo's intercooler. With the engine taking all the room in the rear, this meant that the Renault 5 Turbo was a two-seater, and you better didn't have any kids to take to soccer practice unless you strapped them to the roof. There's not a lot wrong with this Majorette model apart from some missing paint, but the car is screaming for a complete custom treatment. So let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover. Back in 1980, Renault designed this rally version of the Renault 5 with a rear engine and a striking design by Bertone. It became the fastest French car ever to be produced, and despite of the price tag, it was also a commercial success. The theme of this month's Diecast and Malls Community Challenge is to tackle any sports vehicle, and this one is crying out for a makeover. And I think it worked out pretty well. The metallic aluminum and the light blue with the new turbo decals result in a striking look. The details bring out the realism, and the new rims from the Greenlight Mopar pack are really very nice. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.